Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body's design. And guys, this lecture is a 5, and also previous lecture is 1 to 4 is also available here. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and explain all this point deeply and clearly. And surface modeling is very important lecture, and this is a today discuss here a boundary surface, and boundary surface lecture is very important. Okay, this use a boundary surface and how to this body is design, and all point is learn here and all process is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, 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 let's start here. This surface boundary surface is a learn here, and some setting is very important. At first select a part, and part is a this is use a plain white. Okay, and this is a perfected. At first select a plane is a top plane, and sketch, draw a simple geometry is a drawing us. This is a center rectangle, and center rectangle is drawing here. A dimension is not mentioned here, this is not important. Okay, and exit, and going to this isometric. Okay, this is perfect. And again select a top plane, and going to this use this okay, this is a perfect, and exit, and select a top plane, and going to this use a plane, and plane is select here this and this is a height is a 110 millimeter. Okay, perfect and correct, and select OK. And this plane and sketch normal, or draw a circle is this. Okay, and dimension is also not mentioned here because this is a drawing only a plane. Okay, this plane is hide because all geometry line is looking perfect, and this exit, and this plane is hide. Okay, and two profile is you can see here on the screen. Okay, very nice. And going to this going to surface, and surface is use here boundary surface is perfect, and select this profile, select here, and this profile is also select here this, and this line is also change here this, and this shape and size is change here. And going to this normal to profile, also this going to normal to profile. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this use a thin surface also, and this is a okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this angle, this is a direction is change here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and also use this and direction is also change here this increase. Okay, and this is also perfect and correct. Okay, and thickness is also perfect, and thickness is also change here. This angle is also change here, and select a thickness is this and select this thickness is a select here, and okay, this angle is a select here this, and also this thickness is a select here this. Okay, this is a perfect. and click OK, but this is not user, and some setting is this okay, this is a okay, and this angle is a change here, and this point also okay, and direction is inside, and click OK. Okay, this feature could not be created because it would produce self intersecting geometry. Okay, this is a 0 degree, and 0 degree, and this is a point 10. Okay, and this is a okay, but change here this okay, this direction is very high, and this angle is a some lower. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and next is a some increase, this is a and some one point is very important. This is delete here and use this lofted boss, this is use a lofted surface, and click this profile and also click this profile. This is only a direct, not use a option is normal to surface is use here, and this use only 2 point is a only this, and this is a okay, but this is a delete here, and this use a boundary surface, and this use a very important, and use a none, and use a normal to profile, and this is very important, and this able to only boundary surface, not use a lofted surface. Okay, this is a very important. This is a drawing this and some important point is also discussed here. Okay, and drawing this and draw a okay, draw a spline. Okay, and select a plane, this is front plane is select here normal, and also draw a profile line, this is use a spline is drawing here, and this use this point to this to connect to this and okay, and this 2 point is select here and going to pierce. Okay, and also this 2 point is select here and going to pierce, and this 2 point is select here. Okay, okay, this okay, also also select a surface, and this use okay, exit, and then use a boundary surface and select this and select this. Okay, delete here this also clear section, this point and this point. Okay, also select this, but this error sketch delete here. Okay, okay, not mention here this is a hide, and also select this to this and this is very important. Select here this, and okay, and this is a okay, and select here this going to metal, and metal is brush, and brush is this. Okay. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you.